there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we are looking at a mobile suite. It's a brand new floor plan. This is the Orlando, which kind of resonates a little bit with us. So come on, let's take a look. Up front, you got a nice storage area. Now this is a drop frame, right? And so you have plenty of height in here for lots of storage. If you notice, there's sort of this diamond plate bottom. So you're protecting the bottom area, okay? One of the things that's really nice about mobile suites is they do full body paint jobs. And this one's really sweet, okay? As you can also see, you have frameless windows. There are awnings that cover the door, okay? There's awnings over all of the slides, but no further awning other than what's over the door, right? You have upgraded suspension, and it's independent suspension, which is awesome, which means there's no actual axles, and it's disc brakes. This has a 6-point hydraulic Lippert leveling system. Auto level, hit a button, it's done. There's also some great additional storage compartments on the side. When you get to the back, I love the back of these things. They really do. There is a ladder already mounted to get to the top to do inspections. And you're not just pre-wired for a camera, the camera is already there. So let's go to the other side. Couple more of those storage compartments. If you see, the power cable is coming out from the bottom. It is on an auto reel, so you just press the button that's in there, and the cable wraps itself up, which is awesome. Don't have to deal with that big heavy cable. You have a sewer connection right here, Lisa. Okay. This compartment right here accesses the back of your refrigerator, so you can get to the water supply for the ice maker. Okay. You have another sewer connect here. You've got the Truma AquaGo on board, which means I believe it's on-demand hot water. Okay. Here's the other side of that bay. This cabinet here is your wet bay, as well as your pulls for your waste, for your gray tank and black tank. And then over here, you got your dual 40-pound propane tanks. And it's on a slide, so they slide right out, so it's easily accessible, okay? It's hard to get to the front on this because of where we are, but you do have several storage units up here. They're sort of, I call them utility areas. The first one is where you would put a generator, if you want to mount a generator, all right? And your batteries and all that stuff goes out there. Let's go inside. So this is a really unique setup. I can't wait for you to see the inside of this, okay? So right as you came in the door, you're sort of in the living room kitchen area. Now, for most fifth wheels this size, this would be probably considered on the smaller side for living room and kitchen, but you'll understand why in just a couple minutes, okay? There are 2 seating areas, so you can have people over and entertain them, and they're set up so having conversation is real nice. These 2 fold out to be a bed, but they're also, actually they're not. They're just recliners, so there's 2 recliners here. My bad, sorry about that. These are more of your theater seats. They are electric. You got a little cubby here to put your remotes and things like that. And directly across from us, Lisa, is a huge TV.
That is nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
Right, with you got a sound bar built in, and then beneath there you got a 34-inch Furrion fireplace.
Very nice.
Just where you're sitting, take a look at the front of that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, all LED accent lighting and stuff.
Yeah.
It's just exquisite.
I love the detail.
Right?
Yeah.
All wood cabinetry in mobile suites. Mm-hmm. Right, again, this mobile suites makes, these are high-end fifth wheels.
Yeah,
okay?
they are.
I mean, I wouldn't call them entry level, but oddly enough, we spoke yesterday to a gentleman who bought a spacecraft.
Yes.
Which is probably the most expensive, but it's 100% custom. It's his very first RV of any kind.
Yes.
So nothing like starting at the top. So
going all in.
So sometimes I call these not entry level, but sometimes people just, this is what I want, right?
Exactly.
Even though it's their first one. Okay?
Exactly.
Love this, right? Solid surface countertops.
Yes, and it's offset the way you like it.
Yeah.
We've got a 70-30 sink with the recess.
I love that.
And that is stainless. Yeah, so you can get your big pots and pans in there. So that's nice. Love that. This model does have a dishwasher. You know how I love the dishwasher.
It's probably locked.
It probably
right?
is.
you know, to keep people from opening it.
Of course. Oh, we do have a drawer that I just pulled way all the way out. And we have storage underneath the sink.
Nice.
Right. Now, across from the sink, we have a residential insignia stove and microwave. Plenty of storage on both sides. Look at this.
Nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
Absolutely.
Soft close.
Soft close, right? Go ahead.
Plenty of storage drawers as well.
That is a big trash can.
Huge can.
Yeah, that's like a 13-gallon.
Yeah.
That's kind of like the thing. Where's the big 13-gallon trash cans?
Yes.
They're in Mobile Suites.
Yes, exactly.
Little side coffee bar down here, maybe?
We have a little coffee bar here, yes, with storage above and below. And that doesn't come across all the way, so you have room to walk around the island. The ducted heating in there, that's nice. Love that.
Yeah.
Behind me is this huge refrigerator. Look at this.
Side by side, residential.
Isn't that beautiful?
Which, by the way, the flooring in here is actually tile. It's not laminate.
Right, very nice. And then we have some more cabinetry.
Nice food pantry.
And look, these pull out as well.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. For easy access. Love that.
Yeah.
Because those do go way back there. So the drawers are nice big drawers too.
Awesome. All right, so let's go towards the back.
All right.
And I guess we would call this the master, Lisa. And this looks like, this might be a residential king.
It might be.
I'll tell you what, why don't you go get the tape measure?
I will do that.
And we'll measure that up for you. While she's doing that, I'll continue to go. There's a wireless charging plate right there for charging your phone at night. Okay. There is also 110 power right there. Okay. Some nice cabinetry above. You can see it's all woodwork all the way around. Okay. 3 windows there, give you some morning light once you wake up and open the shades. There are day shades and night shades in here. Okay. Right across from the bed is a gigantic wardrobe. Right, you've got 10 drawers down here on the bottom, a couple of 4 big ones and 6 small ones, and then up above, which I'll open these in a second for you, you've got all kinds of doors and a nice TV there. So let's open these up and see what's in here. So your nice hanging space, right? Awesome. And I'm assuming this will mirror the other one. Yes. And then these probably flip up, yep, which they do, so you have some cabinetry there. So let me give this to Lisa. We brought our tape measure today. We got our tape measure. All right. So this is, nope, it's an RV King.
Is it?
Yep, 70 by 80.
Is it? I'm surprised.
It really felt like it was bigger.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yep, 70 by 80.
But do you have enough space?
I don't think so. I don't think so. That's not 6 inches.
Yeah, we do need 6 inches.
You could, squeeze in. Well, actually, it'd be a tight squeeze. Well, man, it's like 74 and a half.
And we need 76 for residential king.
Man, it's so close.
Man.
So close. All right, so back here in the bathroom, a really cute bathroom, Lisa. And you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
Well, as you can see, guys, if you're new to our channel, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference, okay? And as you can see, at my height, there is plenty of room. This is not a problem.
You can definitely see with that underfloor lighting.
Right? And you can lounge in here, which is great. All right, nice cabinetry all the way through here. Lots of storage, okay, for towels and anything else you may want to put in here. There's not a medicine chest because the mirror is flat, but you do have these little side things, to hide all your drugs, right? And then over here, this is I'm gonna crawl in here anyway, but again, you're full ceiling height in here, so I mean, you be 10 foot tall back here, all right? But there's plenty of room. This is a 1-piece molded shower, all right? And with the glass doors, you know me, I prefer the retractable ones, but this is a high-end coach, so we're gonna put glass in here. So let's go towards the front and see what is up there. And remember, guys, this is a brand new floor plan. They're showing it here, I think, for the first time. Right? By the way, right as you come in, here's your control panel. Everything that you need to move out your slides or whatever. Okay?
Right when you walk in the door.
Right when you walk in the door. And then here's another bathroom. This is a half bath with your washer dryer in here.
And plenty of leg room in there too. I don't think you even need to test that.
You know what? I want some input from you guys. Do us a favor. Leave a comment. So here's the toilet, which, as you can see, by the way, is plenty of room for the tall people in the world. But here's where your washer and dryer would go. Would you prefer your washer and dryer not next to a toilet, Or is it that okay? Because I can just imagine you're pulling stuff out and the toilet is here. I don't know. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the washer and dryer being close to the toilet. Okay? And then if you spin around, Lisa, look at this front room. Isn't that neat?
Look at this.
Look at, yeah, it's a separate, closed off bunk room, office. I mean, this is a neat design with this sort of desk in the middle.
It is, isn't it?
This would be the office.
Yeah, absolutely.
This would be the office.
So there's a nice desk.
Yep.
You've got your media center, if you
Media
will.
center there, and there's, of course, for people living up there, there's a place to hang up your clothes, 10 drawers again. This is sort of a very similar setup to the one in the bedroom, at least from the drawers.
Yeah.
Okay? So, plenty of storage.
Tons of storage. Plus, each bunk has 3 cubbies overhead.
Yep.
Look at the cabinets.
Absolutely, yeah. And there's drawers underneath too.
Do you still have the tape measure? Oh, look at that. There are drawers underneath. I didn't notice that. Do you want to check and see if that is a residential twin?
34 by 78. No.
No, it's not. Okay, so it's a little bit longer.
It's in between twin and twin XL, lengthwise and widthwise.
Yes, agree. Well, I mean, it's a little bit skinnier than either of them. Both of them are the same width.
So let us know what you think of this brand new floor plan for Mobile Suites. Really unique, right? So if you've got some young ones with you and you're looking for a little bit more upscale, maybe the Orlando, that's what this model number is called, the 44 Orlando.
I really like this floor plan.
I do too.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the right one from you.
Maybe.
So until we see you all again, be safe.